Sheridan Community Hospital in Montcalm County has a new CEO. Lily Petrovich has been promoted from Director of Nursing to lead the rural hospital. News 8's Lindsay McComel spoke with her about the challenges they're facing.
Obviously, it's very difficult for rural hospitals right now as a whole, but Sheridan has also been struggling prior to this pandemic. So, why take on this big responsibility and try to step up?
One thing that really got me to this, to take it, is when I started here, the community around here is amazing. Patients that are coming through our hospital and the community in general has been so supportive of this hospital. As soon as it started, I have received multiple calls from the community. How can we help you? What can we do for you? And that really got me that, to that point to say, this is an awesome community. They desired this hospital to remain working and functioning. Internally, we have fantastic teams now in Sheridan Hospital that will take us and propel us to the next level. So that all combined got me to the point to say, yes, I will step in.
And on the national scale, there's been a lot of conversation surrounding rural hospitals being hit even harder. We've heard, unfortunately, about layoffs at other big healthcare systems, even in West Michigan, just given the fact that there have been losses during this. Is Sheridan facing anything like that, or, what is the reality for you guys right now?
Yes, we did have about a handful of layoffs that we needed to do, and then cut hours, which was very, very hard, but at the same time it was necessary. And again, we're looking forward when this is all over and we can reopen and start providing those procedures and all those staff coming back.
And are those layoffs permanent, or do you feel that there might be an opportunity to bring people back once things are back to quote-unquote normal, whatever that ends up being for us?
We definitely hope so, that we would bring them back. Some, of course, would be permanent as well, but we will just definitely see how it is and how it looks like when everything comes back to normal.
Lindsay spent a lot of time talking about issues the hospital faced prior to the pandemic. More from her interview, that'll be inside this story tonight at woodtv.com.